Hey guys, nandito na sa kamay natin yung sikat na chocolate brand na gawa sa Lanao del Sur. At sobrang excited kasi ako kasi matagal ko na itong napapanood sa Facebook, itong Kakao Maranao. Which is galing sa bayan ng Bayang. Mayroon silang cooperative doon na they are planting cacaos and then helping their community. Okay? So as you can see, product of Bayang Barm Philippines. Look. So we have different flavors. Merong binaning chocolate, ito, tapos 50% milk chocolate. Tapos meron silang 70% dark chocolate, palapa chocolate. Oh, so we gonna try the palapa chocolate, okay?